Ano guys, sabi dito sa report na to, Google will mass delete all Gmail and Photos content next week. So lahat po ng inactive Gmail accounts, ayan po ay i-delete daw ni Google next week, December 1 this year. So including po dito yung mga accounts na associated dun sa Google account na yun. For example, your YouTube channel, your Facebook, your TikTok, na ginagamitan or mga account na ginamitan niyo po ng Gmail. So lahat po 'yun mawawala ngayon, and even your AdSense po or Google AdSense po madi-delete kung hindi niyo po na active or hindi niyo po ginagamit ng matagal na panahon. Ito po yung kanila pong naka-post sa po online, basahin po natin. Google will start deleting inactive photos in Gmail account next week on December 1st. Ano yan? This is a planned move that Google announced back in May, with the company explaining that accounts that haven't been active for 2 years, ayan po, 2 taon, will face deletion. That includes wiping all content associated with an account, which could be Drive, Google Photos, and Documents po. Kasama po? And of course, guys, yung mga associated account with your Google, like ng YouTube ninyo, ayan po, maaari rin po ma-delete. Ayan, in a post on its blog, the keywords Google Beefy or product management, Rachel explains that this is necessary security measure. If an account hasn't been used for an extended period of time, it is more likely to be compromised. This is because forgotten or attended accounts often rely on old or reused password that may have been compromised, haven't had two-factor authentication set up, and receive fewer security checks by the user. So ayun po, the reason daw kung bakit nila tatanggalin yung mga old accounts, kasi nga naka-compromise yung kanilang mga password or nagamit na. Ayan po, na-reuse. So ngayon, yung mga old accounts na yun, hindi po ginamitan ng two authentication to secure their account. So ay maaari nga naman yun gamitin ng mga hacker or na mga na mga ang tawag dito, scammer, yung na yun, yung account na yun para gamitin sa kalokohan. So tatanggalin po nila yun. Yun ang isa sa mga dahilan or intention or our internal analysis shows abandoned accounts are at least 10 times less likely than active accounts to have two-step verification setup. Ito pong two-step verification setup na to ay bagong update po ito ni Google, ng Gmail ninyo or ng Google. So kailangan po naka-active po itong two authentication na 'to, So meaning these accounts are often vulnerable, ayan, and once an account is compromised, it can be used for anything from identified theft, ayan po, to a vector for unwanted or even malicious content like spam. Ayan po nakalagay diyan, So as of 2019 pa daw, Gmail had 1.5 billion global active user in is one of the most popular email service around because of the popularity and the ease of setting up an account. And scammers had been known to target Gmail users. Ayan, So makikita natin, nababasa natin dito na oo, totoo naman yun, kasi halos lahat kasi guys ng account natin ay naka-associate sa ating pong Gmail. Even our bank accounts, ayan, minsan associated dun, nakalagay din yung ating mga information. So napaka-importante na secure natin yung account natin. Kaya kung hindi niyo na ginagamit, pwede niyo nang gamitin uli. It's also, makes sense that Google will want to close dormant accounts to free up names and space. Google hasn't released any figures on how many accounts are classified inactive. Ayan, but considering the size of the users base, there could be a lot of free storage the company is funding for accounts that are inactive. Ayan, how to keep your account, ito kung paano mapapanatiling ano para hindi ma-delete yung inyong account, hindi masama dun sa mga yon na tatanggalin ni Google. Ayan po. Some users and use cases are, however, exempt for deletion. Ayan po. An account will be saved from execution if it has been used to purchase a Google product or subscription, such as paying extra storage space. Ayan po, kung bumibili kayo, di ba may Google Photos po. So, para mapalaki nyo yung Google Photos nyo, kailangan nyo bumili ng storage. So, kung nagpo-purchase kayo monthly, ayan po, hindi kayo kasama dun sa madi-delete ang account, ano. Or if it it's an account for an organization. Ayan po, ano, the new policy only applies to a personal Google account. So, yung mga company Google accounts, ayan po, hindi po siya madi-delete. Pero yung mga personal account po lang ang kasama sa mga madi-delete. Ano, the deletion began next week, December 1st, ano, this year. But they won't all happens in one day. Of course, guys, napakarami yun. I-ano pa nila yun, tawag do'n, verify pa nila yung mga account na yun. So, it takes, months siguro or weeks bago po yun matapos. Ano, Google says it will take a paced approach by starting with accounts that were created and never used again. The company will also send out warning to the account email address and recovery address for ayan, hand, ayan po. If you want to make sure your account isn't included in the call, simply sign in to your Google dashboard. Ayan, ano. So, ang kailangan nyo lang mag-sign in para ma-active po yung inyo pong account. Ano. So, and ayan po, or just sign in. Okay. And Google will account that as activity. Ayan po. Signing in, ayan, signing into YouTube, ayan po, ayan, nakasama din po ang YouTube like what I said. Drive or downloading an app on the Play Store also count as activity. Ayan o, kung halimbawa, nyo yung phone ninyo, i-download nyo uli yung Google ninyo or yung inyo pong Gmail, so that is count as active. Of course, guys, kung ano, kung mag-sign in kayo sa inyo pong YouTube, kung halimbawa naka-log out kayo, tapos nag-login uli kayo, that counts as ano, active account. Ano? Okay. So, yun lang po, ano. So, check nyo po yung inyo pong email or try to sign in yung mga, ano nyo, yung mga important email ninyo, ano, para, ano po, ma-keep ninyo yung inyo pong mga accounts, ano. So, thank you so much. See you again.